3, 2, 1. Yeah, here we go. Good job. Awesome. Good job.
Why did you decide to buy the hotel?
For a new venture.
Something new to do.
Yeah.
What were you doing previously?
Auto repairs, and we still are too. My son Robert is going to continue on with that. And me and Taylor came over and opened up the hotel on the 22nd of last month. And we're doing, fixing it up. A lot of stuff like the lanes and this kitchen we're going to put in. We love Oakfield.
We grew up here. I mean, kids we did. He's from Oakfield.
Yeah.
It's home pretty much. It's also another
Something
home.
to keep us busy. We didn't want it to go nowhere, that's why we bought it. Yep. Another reason. We also got the rooms opened up upstairs. Someone wants to stay over also.
Yeah, we're gonna do a dinner, night stay, and bowl. You can do it all and stay the night. You don't have to drink and drive or anything. It's a good way to stay safe. You come have fun and enjoy yourself. Yeah.
Been this way for a long time.
Yeah.
Brings out the
And everyone loves it. They don't want us to touch anything in here.
literally.
Maybe just